Hello, my name is Jacqueline. I am a part of the Technology Coach team at San Juan College. This video is part of a series about Excel. Today we're going to talk about some very basic information for new Excel users. Always remember, as a San Juan College student, you receive Microsoft Office Suite through the college for free. If you have not yet downloaded it, please watch our video about downloading Microsoft Office Suite on our YouTube channel. We're going to begin by talking about the layout. Here we have an open Excel workbook. Within the Excel workbook, you have worksheets. A workbook can be made up of one or many sheets. At the bottom of your screen, notice that it is automatically named Sheet 1. To add more sheets to your workbook, simply click the Add button. Please look for future videos with a more in-depth explanation of Excel worksheets. Looking at the overall worksheet within the grid, all of the bars in the vertical direction are referred to as columns and labeled alphabetically. All of the bars in the horizontal direction are referred to as rows and labeled numerically. Each one of these boxes is referred to as a cell. Cells are referred to by their name. The name is given from the column and row. For example, this top cell would be labeled A1. If you were to go to the right, that cell would be labeled B1 for columns A or B and row 1. Should you go down, that would be A2. Each cell can be edited individually or as a group of cells. You can also name a cell. For example, if you have data in your worksheet that has a number total, you could click on the cell with the total and then click in the space called Name Box. Type total, push enter, and now that cell will always be referred to as total. This area is called the ribbon. Within that are tabs. We began on the Home tab. And here is where options that are used most often can be found. Here we have the Clipboard section, which is for copying and pasting using different formats. In the Font section, you can choose your font style, size, color, and other features. In Alignment section, you can choose where you want the text to fill in the cells. Centered, high, low, left, right, and many different combinations. In the Number section, you can define the style of number you choose, from general, currency, date, time, and many more that will be elaborated on in future videos. The styles, cells, and editing sections will be elaborated on in the video about making a table in Excel. The Analysis section is a feature that can be used to define data after you have input the information. There are more tabs and each will be explored during their respective tutorials in future videos. Because Excel gives you the ability to edit and create so much content, I will continue with these short videos on how to use Excel. In the meantime, look through the Excel program to become familiar with the layout. Thank you for watching, and please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Bye for now.